Macdonald Street, Paddington. Roof report. Generally the roof sheets are in good condition with adequate floor. Parapet flashing. There's multiple cracks and damage and requires waterproofing and capping around the perimeter of the roof, which encompasses 2 sides of the roof. There's multiple cracks, water penetration of the parapet resulting in water penetration of the units downstairs, which will get progressively worse in time. Skylights have generally been waterproofed back to the ridgeline, which is good, except for this skylight and this skylight. If they're not leaking, that's okay. But if the leaks develop in the future, they should be waterproofed back to the ridgeline with an overflashing. There's a water leak over Unit 3 lounge room roof, and in the vicinity of that leak is this roof penetration, which it appears to be for sewer vent pipe, where it could be ventilation from a kitchen. It's poorly sealed to the roof, leaking. If that leaks downstairs, it will be the cause of Unit 3's water leak above the dining room table. Skylights look like they've been adequately waterproofed, but they should be monitored. Mechanical ventilation ducts, the 3 ducts, 1, 2, 3, are very poor. Insulation has collapsed down onto the fans, blocking the flow of air. There's no weatherproof capping on top of the duct. These will obviously be causing problems to units downstairs. They appear to still be in serviceable condition, but we need to find out if they're still serviceable, if they're still working. They're required because they're in very poor condition. They'll be causing multiple problems to the complex. This fan is still in operation. I can feel the airflow. I'm not sure about these two, where the insulation's collapsed down onto the fan. I can't feel any airflow in those 2 units. There's a larger mechanical ventilation outlet up here, which is in full swing, possibly servicing the car park. The roof sheets are generally in good condition, except for a few areas where tradesmen have walked between the screw lines and dented the sheets, but nothing spectacular. There's good harness points throughout the roof. The parapet flashing is in very poor condition. Multiple cracks. It's going to be leaking and cause more problems throughout the complex as time progresses if that parapet wall is left unsealed and uncapped. Air conditioning, roof penetration, not particularly well done. It doesn't look like it's causing any problems. We like to terminate the service pipes to air conditioners through a loop, like this one, which causes a lot less problems. It's better to waterproof the roof. The air conditioning units, there's 14 of them. Their roof penetrations are all extremely poor. The platform's poor and needs refurbishing, and the duct covers and roof penetrations for all 14 air conditioners need completion. The pipes insulation is weathering. The duct cover for the roof penetrations is poorly sealed throughout. And the platform's rotting. The platform's approximately 11 metres by about 1.2 to 1.4 depending on the design. The pitch is about, I'd estimate about 8 or 9 degrees. It'll be expensive to crane a platform onto the roof. We'll get some expert advice on that to see if it can be brought up piecemeal and constructed on site. There's definitely a new platform and roof penetrations refurbishment required to all 14 air conditioners. The skylights generally here are all flashed up to the ridgeline, which is great. The roof sheets are in good condition, not corroding. I believe this is over Unit 9 kitchen, to be confirmed, where some roof sheets have been replaced and an additional overflow outlet's been cut into the gutter. I checked the moisture profile on Unit 9's walls, particularly around the structural column. It's still saturated. I think as an interim measure, the overflow size needs to be increased. I think it's still overflowing in the vicinity of the outlet's kitchen, causing problems, saturating the wall, causing a lot of internal damage. And maybe also there's an air conditioning pipes.